Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Duolingo. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Duolingo, and you can see my current font size is set to this. So in order to make it larger, what we need to do is head back and we need to click into our settings app or settings on our mobile device. Now from here, once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and look for display. Go ahead and tap onto display. Scroll down again and look for font size and style. Click into that. And now at the bottom of font size and style, you'll see a slider, and you can move this slider left to right. So if you move it towards the right, it's going to make it larger, the font. And if you move it to the left, your text is going to look smaller. So keep it near the right hand side. Now if we head back to Duolingo, your font size should be increased accordingly. So there you go, you can see it's increased and it's easier to read. So yeah, have a play around that slider and choose how small or how large you want your font.